Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today is day 20 and also my mom's birthday, so happy birthday, Mom. We are doing my beauty advent calendars again, so let's get started. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the chocolate calendar. I'm looking for number 20, which is right down here at the bottom, right here. Let's see what shape we've got today. Oh, cool, we've got an elf. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the Glossybox today, and we are going to be looking for number 20. 20. Oh, right here. Right here. So let's go ahead and pull this one on out. So we've got box 20 right here. Let's go ahead and see what is on in here. We've got some tape paper. Oh, cool. Oh, okay, I've been wanting to try this. This is the First Day Beauty face cleanser. Oh my gosh. I've heard such good things about this product, so I'm like so I can't even articulate my words right now. I'm so excited about how, that I get to try this. I'm so excited. So let's read a little bit about it. It says, I can't talk because I'm so excited. So this is a facial cleanser. It's going to remove surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime. Safe for sensitive skin. Hello. It has with FAB antioxidant boosters. And it says directions. Dampen the face and delicately massage a small portion of the cleanser on all zones of the face. Remove with a soft washcloth or splash of water. So really, I'm so excited for this. I might take this on vacation with me just so I can try this out because, oh my gosh. Okay, so yesterday we did the 12 Days of Beauty from Target. So today is going to be the 12 Days of Glow from the Freeman masks. And today we are going to be doing the face mask. It is a charcoal black sugar gel mask scrub. And it says it's for polishing. This is what the little face mask does look like in its little packet. Let's read the back of it. It says, purifying activated charcoal helps absorb oil and impurities without over drying. Black sugar helps exfoliate away dead skin cells and softens in clarity. Perfect for all skin types. Apply a mask with dampened face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes. Leave on for 5 to 7 minutes. Add warm water and massage gently to exfoliate and then rinse. Alrighty, so we're going to be moving on to the Body Shop and we are looking for number 20 today. Number 20. Oh, right here. So let's take a look at the box. Okay, so I figured out what this one was. This is on fire. And then the guy from one of my first boxes who was had a fire extinguisher, he was blowing this out. He was trying to extinguish this little flambe type cake. Too funny. All right, so let's read the side of this. It says, sign off of social media for the next 24 hours and spend the day with friends and family. I do this almost every other day because I'm not a huge fan of social media personally. So let's see what we've got today. Oh, cool. This is the Body Shop Chamomile Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. It comes in a big bottle like this. It's 100% vegan. It says gently and effortlessly removes makeup from lashes and lids. Suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Hello. Very cool. And this lasts up for 24 months. And I like that this has a little pop top. And there's really no scent to it. Maybe a little bit of a light chamomile, but nothing too strong. Today's day 21 of my beauty advent calendars. Oh my gosh. These have been so much fun. I'm so excited. I've been so excited trying out new products and finding things that I probably wouldn't have personally picked out for myself, but end up being amazing or just smell so good. So good. So let's go ahead and start off with the Body Shop today. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with the Body Shop, and we are looking for number 21 today. 21. Oh, 21 is right. Oh. Timber. Please, everyone, hold on. Oh my gosh, it's a bunch of presents and a cat is on top of it trying to get the little chain link. It says homeless women need more support from female volunteers and trained staff who can offer gendered support. Ask your local homeless shelter how you can help. Let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Alright, y'all, it's another face mask. I love face masks. But I can already tell because this whole thing's orange. It better not smell. I hope it does not smell like orange. I literally had to give my mom the facial mist that sprayed my face. It had a nectarine-y orangey scent. I kid you not, I think I coughed and gagged for a couple, at least a good minute because it was just strong, very strong. This is the little packaging today, and this says the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Sheet Mask. The enriched with vitamin C, rich camu from the Amazonian rainforest, Peru. After 15 minutes, grumpy skin feels hydrated, awakened, and healthier. This is also a biodegradable sheet mask and it is suitable for all skin types. And so since we did the 12 Days of Glow yesterday for day 20, we are going to be going to the Target's 12 Days of Beauty and we are going to be doing number 11 today for day 21. So let's see what we got in here today. Y'all, I needed this today. Y'all, it is dry shampoo. This is the Collab dry shampoo. It's amazing, oil absorbing without white residue. I need that because, you know, half my hair is blonde, but the other half is red. So when I spray it on the red side, it tends to get that like little powdery look, and I'm like, that's not cute. Okay, so let's read just a little bit. Oh my gosh, this has a 10 out of 10 sticker on it for performance. I'm here for that. 71% of 250 people agree. Wow. This statistic was done in 2018. It says, Collab is an award-winning dry shampoo that is perfect for all hair types, colors, and textures. Incredible formula, effectively absorbs oil, instantly refreshes roots with an invisible lightweight finish. Hair feels clean, soft, and beautifully fragranced with notes of bergamot and rose. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the Glossybox. Again, we are looking for number 21. If I don't tell myself I'm looking for 21, I will never remember. And I'll have to keep, like, looking at the date. For some reason. Ever since, like, all this quarantine started happening, I can't remember what day of the week it is, what day it is. I can remember what month, just because of, like, the season. Oh my gosh, whoosh, it's been hard. All right, guys, I found number 21 right here. So this is box number 21. Feels kind of full, but then they also put like a ton of paper in here too. That's what I thought was interesting. In the Glossybox, they have like all this tissue, where in the oh my gosh, where in the Body Shop one they don't have any like the extra like tissue paper. I'm excited for this. Okay, so this is the Beauty Crop is the brand. It's Stuck on You eye primer. Y'all, I love eye primer. So this is the little packaging it comes in. It's just so cute. I love the little like reflectiveness with the foil. It's just like a fun, cute little packaging, and it's very little. This soft and creamy eye primer makes your eyeshadow go so much further. It locks in color and prevents pigments from creasing, smudging, or fading. Our universal eye primer is buildable and slightly tinted, so eyeshadow pigments really pop, and is held in place throughout the day. Enriched with pomegranate seeds and grapeseed oil, our formula keeps lids smooth and moisturized. Oh, that's so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of here just so we can like see what it looks like. This is the little packaging. It's like in a little jar. I've never been, check it out, like you cannot see. Like that's just all glass. I've never really been a fan of like paint pots. But I'm not opposed to them like at all. It has no smell, but it is like a beige color. Definitely will help like make pigments pop for sure. Alrighty, and our last advent calendar for today is going to be the chocolate one. And man, I just like looked at the 21 today. Here it is. Let us see what shape we've got today. What do we have? What do we have? We have a man on a sled. Today is day 22 of my beauty advent calendar, so let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so I thought we'd go ahead and start off with the chocolate calendar today. So we are looking for number 22, 22, 22, 22, 23. Ooh, 22 is right here with this little bear. So let's see what shape we've got today. Oh, that's so cute. It's a teddy bear and a little present. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do the 12 Days of Glow because we're only got one left for the Target's 12 Days of Beauty, and that's for tomorrow. So we're going to open this one up. So the face mask for today is this one right here. It is the pomegranate peel off gel mask. It is revitalizing. This is what the little mask does look like. And this one is, again, the pomegranate peel-off gel mask, revitalizing. The back of it says, this pomegranate-infused mask gently purges dirt and excess oils from skin for a clearer, revitalizing complexion. I'd say let's just go ahead and do the Body Shop since it's right next to me. Again, we are looking for number 22 today. Oh, well, that was kind of easy. It's right here in the middle. Did not have to look or go far. This one's kind of heavy. The box looks like this today. It looks like she is decorating this little plant with some like sort of like tinsel or some sort of like rope. Alright, so the side that says, bake with a bestie, now share your treats at a local homeless shelter. They are so cute. I like, the Body Shop is so sweet and just really honestly clearly just want us to all give back. And it's amazing. So what do we have here? So this is the Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal. This is a purifying clay wash. This is what this does look like. And then let's read a little bit about it. Alrighty, so this says it's a gentle daily face wash that cleanses away dirt and impurities, leaving the skin feel purified and pores unclogged. Excess oil appears removed and the skin appears mattified. This smells good. It has like a little bit like a tea tree scent to it. Oh, this is nice. This will go really well with the Himalayan mask that I got as well. I wish I brought that with me now. I might have to tell my husband to bring it, because now I kind of want to try both together. Oh, it says on the front of it, says with bamboo charcoal from the Himalayan foothills and tea tree oil from Kenya. Let's dive on into the Glossybox. And again, we're looking for number 22 today. 22 is right here. Box number 22. Let's see what's in it. Oh, the product was on top today, and I still took out all the grass. What do we have here? This is from Heyyy Honey. It is a sweet treat, wild berry, and honey yogurt recovery mask. Restores the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. This is the little packaging. It's definitely like a little sample size. It's half a fluid ounce. On the back it says 15 minutes to new skin. Rich antioxidant restorative treatment, reviving dull and tired looking skin. Today is day 23 of my beauty advent calendars. These have been so much fun to do every day. Like, it's just been like a little bit of Christmas every single day. So I feel like I'm really in the mood this year, and I'm just really here for it, especially for such a crappy year we've had. So let's get opening these up. So we did the 12 Days of Glow yesterday, so we're gonna go ahead and do the 12 Days of Beauty today. And we are actually on the very last day over here at 12. So let us see what we've got in this. Okay, so this is, oh, I love Soap and Glory. So this is a Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot. This is the Instant Perfecting Power Primer. I would assume that this is a face primer and not an eyeshadow primer, just because it doesn't specifically say eye primer. I've needed a new face primer. I love trying new primers out, because sometimes I'll just even wear just a primer on for the day, because it'll just kind of like blur your pores a little bit, which is like super convenient. And just easy for like on the go, you know? So let's go ahead and do the chocolate calendar. We are looking for 23 today. 23, I found 24. Oh, 23 is right here. It's right here. So let's see what we have today. Oh, it's a little tree. Okay, so next we're gonna go into the Glossybox, and we are looking for number 23 again. Oh, cool. It is right on top, right here. Let me pull this out for us. This is box 23. Let's go ahead and pop her open, throw that elsewhere. What is this? This is interesting. It is a Dr. Pawpaw tinted ultimate red balm. It says it's a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw for lips, cheeks, and cosmetic finishes with a hint of tint. Fragrance free. So it says a tinted balm hydrates and adds color to lips and cheeks. Oh, so it's pretty much like a cream blush, but it can be used on your lips. Really interesting. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my finger. This is like thick. I don't know if you can tell. So wow. Do you see how easy that was? And it's like a nice red. Natural, not like too bold, but like nice like little tint. Like it said, my lips feel really moisturized right now. Like it has like a slick to it as well, which I kind of really like. Oh, this is cute. So our last box for today is going to be the Body Shop. And again, we are looking for number 23. Oh, 23 is right here. So what do we have here? We've got this girl. I have no idea what she's doing. So I think this one was trying to do mistletoe. Well, the girl next to her was doing the mistletoe with her. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so what's it say on the side? It says, stuff this into someone's stocking or keep it for yourself. So let us see what is in here today. Okay, this is the Body Shop Almond Hand and Nail Manicure Cream. Oh, expert care for hands and nails. Huh, that's so cool. And it says it's almond. So I'm just gonna take a little bit in my hands. Excuse my hands for being red. I just washed my hair. It's the price I pay, but I don't mind it. And I love the smell. It's very light, not too strong. Oh, how wonderful. All right, so this does complete day 23 of my beauty advent calendars. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 24. And day 25, I will not actually have my big boxes with me. that's too much to travel with. So I'm going to be just taking boxes 25 with me in my luggage. I will see you guys in the next one. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.